Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I'm going to show you how to add sounds to a Discord soundboard. Now, to do this process, first you would just simply go ahead and go open up the Discord application into your Windows. Now, if you are on your server, make sure you are inside of it. And now here, just simply go to the server settings. So you could do that by selecting the server name at the top. Now over here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the server settings over here. Now here on the server settings, you will have an option over here, expression. So go ahead and tap on expression over here, and you could just simply go ahead and go for the soundboard over here on the expression category. Now here you could provide your own personal sound. So guys, you have to upload a specific sound based on your preferences, and from here just simply choose your file. And now remember, over here on your file, it must be MP3 or OGG type file, and it must be under 5 seconds and 512 kilobytes from your computer. Now guys, once you have provided the sound, from here provide the sound name, of course, and provide the related emoji on what will happen if they provided that emoji. And from here you will have an option to have the volume sound over here. So pretty much if you upload a custom sound reaction that anyone in the server can use, and this should be able to have a good soundboard into your server. And now once you are done, of course, select upload and it will be applied. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.